Hello everyone, this is Woon.heng. Today, let's make crispy sesame balls, 芝麻球 or Jian Dui. First, prepare the hot sugar liquid. This is much needed to create a crispy outer layer without cracks when fried. The only flour we need is glutinous rice flour, and I'm using the Thai brand version. Carefully stir in the hot sugar water into the flour until you get a shaggy dough with no dried spots of flour left in the bowl. Once it's cool enough to handle, add in the oil and knead into a soft dough. If it's too sticky at this time, slowly add more glutinous rice flour 1 tablespoon at a time. If the dough is too hot for you to handle, cover it with a lid and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. I've added about 4 tablespoons here, and because each brand of glutinous rice flour differs, so adjust it accordingly. When you get a cohesive ball that's not sticky, like this, then you can let it rest while you work on the filling. For the filling, I'm using unsalted roasted peanuts that I blended in a food processor. Pulse it a few times to get the texture like this. Then I add thick, creamy unsalted peanut butter and sweeten with maple syrup. Mix everything together and you can taste test to see if you need to add more sweetness to it. And if you don't have peanut butter, you can definitely use other nut butter of your choice. Then divide into 10 equal portions. Then roll each one into a ball and refrigerate to harden it. Now divide the dough into 10 equal portions as well. Because the dough dries quickly, always work with one dough at a time and cover the rest. Before you wrap the dough, grease your palms with oil. And the first method is to pinch the dough into a circular disc while aiming to have a thicker middle part like so, and place a filling in the middle and wrap to seal. Then roll in between your palms to create that smooth round dough. The second wrapping method is to gently punch a hole in the middle of the dough like so, and using your fingers pinch to make a cup-like shape that's large enough to fit the peanut filling. Once you add the fillings, pinch to seal. Roll it again to smooth out the dough. Dip in water and shake off excess. Coat it with sesame seeds, making sure all the surface is covered. Using both of your palms, roll the ball again to make sure the seeds adhere nicely so they won't fall out when fried. Carefully slide the balls into the hot oil. You should see little bubbles in the oil as soon as you place them in. Once the balls turn slightly golden, use a slotted spoon and immerse the balls into the oil every time they float up to thoroughly coat the inside and to create a hollow ball. You can see that the more you push the ball into the oil, the more it will bounce back, and it will get rounder and rounder each time. The balls will expand to about 1.5 to 2 times the original size. Look at how crispy they are, and you can hear that the filling has detached from the dough with a hollow sound when you shake it. Serve the crispy sesame balls, Jian Dui, with a cup of tea for a delicious snack. Hope you give this dish a try, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye!